Everyone online is saying AI can build websites in minutes. And they're right, but they're also leaving out the part where most AI-generated websites are terrible. Before you use AI to build your next website, here are 9 things you need to know that could save you hours of frustration. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share 9 lessons I've learned while building websites using AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and other AI website builders. Some of these mistakes cost me hours to fix, so hopefully they'll save you time too. Tip number 1. AI isn't the developer. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking AI replaces developers. AI writes code, but you're still responsible for checking whether that code actually works. Think of AI as a very fast junior developer, not someone you can trust blindly. Tip number 2. Your prompt matters more than the AI. Most people blame the AI when the website looks bad. Usually the real problem is the prompt. If you simply say, "Make me a website," you'll get something generic. But if you explain the business, colors, layout, animations, and target audience. Tip number 3. Build one section at a time. Don't ask AI to build an entire website in one prompt. Break it down. Start with the navigation, then the hero section, then the services, then testimonials. Smaller prompts almost always produce better code. Tip number 4. AI makes mistakes. Sometimes AI forgets buttons. Sometimes it breaks mobile layouts. Sometimes animations don't work. Never assume the first version is perfect. Test everything. Tip number 5. Learn basic HTML and CSS. You don't need to become an expert, but knowing basic HTML and CSS will save you hours. When AI gives you broken code, you'll actually know what needs fixing instead of starting over. Tip number 6. Design still matters. AI can generate layouts, but it doesn't automatically understand good design. Spacing, typography, colors, images. Those are what make a website feel premium. AI helps, but your design decisions still matter. Tip number 7. Don't copy everything AI gives you. Sometimes AI repeats the same layouts over and over. If every website looks identical, clients won't pay premium prices. Take what AI gives you and customize it. Add your own style. Tip number 8. Performance is more important than fancy effects. Lots of beginners ask AI to add dozens of animations. The result? A slow website. Fast websites usually convert better than flashy ones. Always optimize before adding effects. Tip number 9. AI gives you speed, not skill. This is probably the biggest lesson. AI makes building websites faster, but it doesn't replace learning. The more you understand design, user experience, and development, the better your AI-generated websites become. Those are 9 things you should know before building websites with AI. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more AI web development content, and I'll see you in the next one.